Want to say thank you to everybody who wished Miss Sennel a happy birthday on the other day, the 15th, yesterday. She did get all the messages. She's taking care of one of our sick animals, so she hasn't been real active on the social medias, and she wasn't able to come out and record tonight. So, but she did want me to say thank you to everybody for all the well wishes and all of the happy birthdays and all of that. It really did make her day. It made her taking care of one of our sick animals a little bit easier. So I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. And we do appreciate it. We appreciate every message and every note that was sent. So I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see exactly what it looks like. So yeah, the tan lump in the back. Well, hey, there's PJ. Is that and Stripes? So in the background back there is our gazebo. It literally picked up and moved about 15 feet. And, some other stuff happened. When that happened, the rain got to our extension cord and started a little minor fire, but luckily it was raining. So guess what? Fire got put out. So with that, I'm going to say thank you. Say hi to Stripes. Hi, Stripes. And then PJ, being the royalty that he is. PJ, you happy, buddy? All right. PJ says he's good. Thank you, everyone. And we'll be back for Frozen Fruity Friday.